ating gift box. This one has all the regular size plus, of course, a travel kit. And look how beautiful. You don't wrap this, please. Masisira pa yung box natin. Don't wrap it. Just put a little card and you're going to give the most social gift ever. Ito receptionist namin sobrang kawawa. When we moved when we moved into this office, nakita ko tong receptionist. Awang-awa ako sa kanya kasi alam ko kung gaano kasakit. Tayo, isang malaking pimple lang na ganyan sa mukha natin. Reklamo na tayo. Aray, di ba? Ano ba to? Siya, patong-patong.
Oh my God.
Patong-patong, guys. Sobrang lala. Okay? This is her after just one use of the Vida set. Etong Vida set lang ang binigay ko sa kanya kasi wala pa kami regular size noon. After just 1 week of use, tingnan nyo ha, nag-subside.
Nag-subside na.
May marks. Siyempre, may marks. Kasi
hindi naman to hindi naman kami si Fairy Godmother, no?
Kasi may marks, pero makita nyo, talagang bumaba.
Oh, yeah.
Bumaba yung galit na pimple. And guess what? She's had this most of her life. So, syempre, very deep scar na siya.
Yeah.
And this is her after 1 month of using it.
Oh my gosh.
After 1 month using it,
wow.
Much less. Much less. Have you seen her, diba?
When I see her now, I'm like, oh my gosh, ang ganda na.
Ang ganda na. So this is her now. Like, if you look at her now, wala nang galit na galit. Wala nang galit na galit. Okay?
So, all the more with the continuous use of Vida Skin, mas lalo pong ma-improve talaga. With the continuous use, it will get better. How to use Vida? Wash your face with a dew cleanser. And then after that, use our soothing toner. It will really soothe your skin.
Toner.
After that, our ampule. Paborito po natin itong ampule na to. It has ceramides. It has all these beautiful
And Medeta Complex po. Ang toner, ang ampule that heals your skin.
Exactly.
Very important yung Medeta Complex.
Our current fave talaga, this
Four
cream.
whitening ingredients.
And then end your day and your skincare during daytime with this Sun Serum Tone Up,
Which will make your skin
look like porcelain glow. Porcelain glow. This one is her skin before Vida. Tapos, yan po yung kabilang side, galit na galit. Gumamit siya ng Vida. Ang galing. Namatay yung mga pain. Namatay yung pain.
Before and after.
Ito yung after. Tapos, continuous use. Ayan, nag-Vida siya. And then ngayon, eto na po siya. Wala na. Kahit bakas, wala na. Legit. So those with troubled skin, talaga, Vida will really help you because of the ceramides po. It protects your skin barrier with all the good ingredients like niacinamide, adenosine, hyaluronic acid.